Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites.
Hey loves, welcome back. Today we are making a Glenrick pilchards. It is a new selection, the 6-gun selection, and I have chopped up my green peppers, onions and carrot, and my pilchards is cleaned up already. That's what we are making today. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on the subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. And now to cook my Glenrick pilchards, I am using coconut oil. And please keep your eyes on the screen to see the ingredients that I add, because I want you to just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate your love and your support. Enjoy.
Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory. If I look around the mess someone made, I would only recognize your face. Wishing you had stayed, wishing you were here with me. If I hold that night with my bloody hands, would you tell me to stop myself? Kissing your forehead, falling for the words you said. 3 a.m. seems like a bad time to feel. Writing letters for someone that can't see that I'm hiding everything that I need, fearing that one day you will disappear. I would keep you like a safe place if I choose to lose my own pace. In my mind, you and me, we dance as if distance would keep you like a safe place. If I choose to lose my own pace, in my mind, you and me, we dance as if distance isn't our disgrace. I just count the days to see you again, tripping over lanes and losing your trace. I will lose my way if you can't stay, tripping with my feet every time we dance. The whole chemistry between you and me, lost like your trace, lost like your trace. I will keep you like a safe place when I choose to lose my own pace. In my mind, all the time we dance, but the fate is our disgrace. I can't count the days to see you again, tripping over lanes and losing your trace. Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define